Man, we have an opportunity, man, where we finna open up our refurbished, brand new era with our parks for our scholars in our community, the Mitchell Heights community. So it's just an amazing opportunity. We have some amazing individuals who put in some hard work, time, dedication, along with our school system to really bring this to life for our community.
I remember what this was when I was going here. I went to Treadwell 7 through 12 and had an opportunity to be in this entire area. And to see this park today, man, it means the world to me.
So thankful for all of the partners who have come together to do this in a quick amount of time as well, but to be able to expand the opportunities also. So not just basketball, but I'm seeing some soccer here, and I'm sure that we'll continue to go in the highest direction possible to continue to provide more opportunities for our students to build friendships, to get out into the community, to move around and really know what it means to take care of their bodies, also expand their minds, and certainly fall in love with the power of play.
But all of our partners, they see our children and they see an investment in our future. And when we do that, we can bring communities back, we can bring schools back, and we can bring pride back to Memphis-Shelby County.